Hey tribe, welcome back, y'all. It has been a hot little minute. Your girl has been busy these past couple of months, but I am so happy to be back in front of the camera, back with you guys, bringing you another great video. Today is going to be a little bit different, but expected at the same time. Today, I'm going to be processing some meat chickens. On my previous video, you guys see me um, cull one of our roosters for different reasons. We had to get rid of our rooster. So you guys seen that video. But today, I'm going to be processing chickens for the household, for our storage, for the freezer, for food purposes. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Again, thank you guys so much for all the support. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Y'all hit that bell for notifications because your girl is about to be dropping more videos. So if you want to be in the loop, you want to miss out on what I got coming, make sure you hit that subscribe button and tell your mama now. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe to your girl channel. Okay, these are the birds that you find in the grocery store. So if you see little white birds, these are Cornish crossbreeds, and they are about 10 weeks now. They usually say that you're supposed to process them between like 8 to 12 weeks, but we waited a little longer because yeah, we just couldn't get to it in time, but for no particular reason. But anyway, you guys see me previously try the broomstick or shovel method, but today we're going to be using a kill comb. You're going to put your bird down in there. So when the birds are in a downward type position, they're more calm, and this way you can have more access to that jugular vein, which is what we're going to cut today to process the chickens. It's really quick. It's pretty instant. There will be like kicking and movement, but that's because the nerves are trying to catch up with what's going on. As you can see, we have the bucket for when we do the cut, the bird can bleed out into the bucket and there's not a mess everywhere. This is the part of the video where I'm going to actually do the cut. So if you don't want to see this particular part, now's a good time for you to go ahead and turn the video off. Okay. So while I have one chicken bleeding out, I believe the other one should be done by now. So we're going to go ahead and start the plucking process for the first chicken that we put in the kill cone. So I'm going to get my water and we're going to pluck the feathers off by hand. Okay, so personally, I like to kind of like rinse the bird off before I start the plucking, just because, I don't know, I just don't want to see all that extra stuff floating in my water, So I'm going to just rinse them off. I don't know if other people do this. I don't really care what other people do either, because I'm doing it. I'm gonna put them in the hot water for about 30 seconds ish, and this is to get all the feathers loosened up. I'm gonna dip it, give it a little twirl, and how you check to see if it's ready to be plucked, if the feathers come off like that, that baby ready. Ready. In this step, we're literally just taking the feathers off. I don't know why for some people they say this takes all day. I just don't see it. I don't know what about this takes all day. Not really sure. This bird is little. I just knew he was gonna have more meat than this. We've been feeding these things. We've been feeding these things good too, y'all. Feeding them good. Mind you, this is real time. I have not sped up the video, slowed it down, edited anything. This is in real time, in real life, how we getting down over here. Should I say how I'm getting down, because I don't have my helpers today. I have to get these feathers off this table because it's a little mess. Okay, the next part of the process is going to be the butchering. I'm gonna start with the neck. I have a little bucket down here to drop all the innards and all the extra stuff. I'm gonna make a cut right here on the neck. Just cut up like that. And you're gonna pull that skin to expose the neck, see the trachea and all that good stuff in there. Like this thick, like part here. This is what you want to like get off. I'm actually going to take the skin off my chicken. People like to keep it on, but I'm gonna go ahead and take the thing on off. I'm gonna go ahead and just cut the neck off while I'm here because off with his head. I put it all day. The part is to cut the feet off. You can see that's pretty easy little task to do. Feet come off really easy. You usually can just pull. Y'all know what? You know what I think it is? I think it's these damn nails, y'all. I think it's these goddamn nails that are enabling me getting down with it. There's a little bristle right there on the foot. We're gonna just cut around that little bristle. Around that little bristle. Go around and around until you get that foot off, which is pretty easy. I'm gonna make a cut right here, going outwards like that to make a little hole. We're going to take our fingers and we're going to open our bird up. You're going to take your hand and do like this. You're going to have your hands like that, like a grabbing motion. And you're going to go in and around like a scooping motion like that. So you're going to carefully and pull out. This is how you know when you're getting the butter from the duck, or maybe I should say the innards from the chicken. Y'all, I got hurt because these flies are killing me. But you see all this, the trachea and all this here? So, remind you, my hand is back here. But I'm going to pull everything out the back. Like that. And just go in and scoop and pull. Scoop and pull. Scoop, pull. Scoop and pull and pull and scoop and scoop and pull and pull and scoop. All the innards are out. We're ready to finish process. I don't know if it's the weather or what, or the time of day, but these flies are out and they are bugging me, literally. But you're gonna just cut this off, this bottom, cut that off. And yeah, you got your bird. I personally like to cut the neck off too. Like it does nothing for me. I got my son with me. He woke up from his nap and wanted to come help me process this other chicken. So I'm about to show him how we pluck the feathers, how we do the butchering process, and all that good stuff. Now that we have processed the chicken, we are going to, and we cleaned it, it's all cleaned up. We are going to put it in an ice bath for about 20 to 30 minutes. Now that the chickens are done processing, this is the final step in our backyard activities. Want to pat them dry, put some napkins.
I don't know what happened to this part of my video, but I lost the sound, so I have to give you guys a voiceover. Unfortunately, I did come down with some type of allergy, something, I don't know, but my voice is almost gone, so just bear with me. But on this part, I basically put the chickens in a shrink wrap bag, and I'm just showing you how you attach the straw to the inside of the chicken, twist it around, and then you have to secure it with a zip tie. After that, we put it in hot water about 180 degrees so that the bag can shrink around the chickens in order to put them in the freezer and preserve them. So this is the finished product once we put it in the shrink wrap bag. And I got these bags from Amazon. I'll put the link somewhere in the description or a comment. But yeah, you guys, this is it. Again, thank you guys for watching and supporting my channel. I appreciate all the likes, the comments, the shares. Until next time, bye.